everyone! Let's Go Places by Cheryla presents Discover the stunning Golden Ears Bridge in Metro Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Golden Ears Bridge is a spectacular 6-lane structure that spans nearly 1 kilometer across the Fraser River in Metro Vancouver, British Columbia. It connects Surrey and Langley to Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows, improving travel and replacing the old Albion Ferry. It opened in 2009. The bridge features pedestrian and bike lanes and uses a rare extradosed design ideal for local seismic and air traffic needs. It's also recognized as North America's longest multi-span cable-stayed bridge, making it a record holder in engineering innovation. Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Golden Ears Bridge, named after the nearby Golden Ears Peaks. The bridge is decorated with elegant golden eagle sculptures that reflect the region's natural beauty and spirit. Let's go places. Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Thank you.